Hello basket friends, I'm delighted to welcome you to my tutorial on inserting pine needles into the coil correctly. When inserting pine needles, I first insert the thicker tips into the coil. This way, the thicker part is easier to conceal. This also ensures a smooth thinning of the coil, which is particularly helpful towards the end of the basket. The thinner end of the pine needles will lay neatly with the coil as it concludes. This method results in a smoother finish later on. Having a container like this flower vase to hold the pine needles makes the process of picking them much easier. After removing the caps, the pine needles are placed in the vase with the thicker ends facing up. To prevent any ends from protruding, position each pine needle in the center of the coil. This ensures that every pine needle remains securely intact and contributes to the basket's overall appearance. Remember that pine needles have both smooth and rough sides. To determine how to insert them into my basket, I always have a plan for which side will be visible more, the inside or the outside. When working on the base of the basket, the smoother side is always facing you, as the bottom of the basket will not be that visible. However, when moving upwards, I decide which side of the basket will show more. If the outside becomes more visible, the rough side will face you and the smooth side will be on the outside of the basket. This may seem insignificant, but based on my experience, displaying the smoother part of the pine needles in your basket enhances its appearance, making it look cleaner and finer. This adds to the basket's overall beauty.